In this video, I'll be showing you how to create some of the best MrBeast style smooth transitions right inside Premiere Pro. These transitions are super useful and can level up your edits. Plus, you can even save them as presets to use again and again. Now, if you want to save a lot of time, I highly recommend checking out my Shameless Transition Pack. It includes over 100 transitions across 22 different categories. It works with any resolution, even 4K. You'll find the link down in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Alright, let's dive into our first transition. The slide transition, which is both smooth and effective. So here I've got two different video clips. First, we need to create an adjustment layer and place it above the clips. Next, go to the effects panel and search for offset. Drag that onto your adjustment layer. Now, head over to Effect Controls and under Shift Center 2, create a keyframe at the start. Move forward a few frames and increase the X-axis value until it fully transitions to the next clip, like this. As you can see, the transition is working well. But now let's make it smoother. Drop down the keyframe arrows and adjust the speed curves like this to ease the motion. Next, search for directional blur in the effects panel and apply it to your adjustment layer. Change the direction angle depending on your slide direction. For example, if your clip slides right or left, go with 0 or 90. Now create a blur keyframe and increase the blur amount. I'm going with 150. Then go back to the first frame and set the blur to 0. And same for the last frame. Also set it to 0. Drop down the blur keyframes and smooth out the curves just like before. And here's the final result. It looks really clean. Alright, next up is the light leak or overlay transition. These are super versatile and can work with pretty much any type of footage. To make this transition, you'll need a light leak or overlay clip. Personally, I use Envato Elements for all my stock footage, which provides an amazing collection of video templates and a vast library of video assets for all types of software. With just a single subscription, you can download an unlimited number of video templates, including transitions, openers, promos, titles, and much more. Envato Elements also provides a wide range of software for selecting templates. Additionally, you can also download stock videos, music, sound effects, graphics, and other valuable assets. Download the templates you need and use them easily by dragging and dropping. Check out the Envato Elements link in the description below for a 7-day free trial. So, I've already downloaded a few light leaks from Envato. Just drag one onto your timeline. Look for the brightest frame, like this one here, and press M to add a marker. Now place that frame between your two clips like so. You can adjust the clip's length if needed. Then go to Effect Controls and change the blend mode to Screen. Boom! It blends in perfectly. To make it feel even more natural, I'm adding a burning wood whoosh sound effect, also from Envato. I've placed it under the transition clip and it syncs nicely. Using light leaks like this can instantly add cinematic flair to your music videos in just a few seconds. Alright. Now let's move on to the masking transition, which is one of the smoothest transitions out there. This works best when your clip includes something large that passes across the screen, fully covering it. In my case, I have this video with a bus passing by. It completely covers the frame, making it perfect. Start by scrubbing to the frame where the bus starts moving off the screen. Select the clip, go to Effect Controls, and choose the pen tool. Draw a mask around the part of the bus that's leaving the frame. Then hit the invert checkbox to flip it. Now, create a path keyframe right here. Move forward 1 or 2 frames, adjust the mask again. Repeat this process for a few more frames, updating the mask until the bus fully exits the screen. At the end, make sure the entire screen is covered like this. Then, go back a couple of frames to where the bus starts. Select your mask and pull it back to its initial position, so it starts off screen. Now drag your first video clip to the second video track and place your second clip underneath it. The result looks seamless. You can also soften the mask with a feather of around 15 to 20%. To enhance it even more, I'm adding a whoosh sound effect. And here's the final look. Super smooth. Moving on to the last one, This is the swipe transition. I don't really know the official name, but it's one of my personal favorites. I use it all the time. It's clean and works great with text too. So here I've got 2 clips. First, move the first video clip to the second video track. Then drag your second video under the first one. Line them up where you want the transition to happen. You can use an adjustment layer here, but I prefer doing it directly with the clips. Next, trim the end of the first clip by pressing Ctrl+K and dragging it out a bit. This gives you an extra part of the first video to work with. Now go to the effects panel and search for transform. Apply it to the extra clip section. In Effect Controls, create a position keyframe. Move ahead a few frames and adjust the Y-axis value to slide the clip down, or up, your choice, until it's completely out of frame. It looks smooth, but a little slow. So drag the keyframes closer together to speed it up. Also, open the motion graph and adjust the curves to get that nice ease in Knox ease out. Uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and set Shutter Angle to 360 for some nice motion blur. Lastly, drop in a whoosh sound and boom! You've got a smooth swipe transition. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you've got any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.